In a technology-based economy, application programming interfaces, or APIs, are critical to delivering business value. Whether your API is public or private, the key to success is cost-effective API management. Red Hat integration allows you to better control your APIs, provide additional security, easily define policies, monetize API usage, and provide a convenient portal that lets developers share information with internal teams, users, and customers. In this video, we'll explore how Red Hat 3-Scale API Management, which is part of Red Hat integration, helps you better manage APIs and get more value with ease and efficiency. Red Hat 3-Scale API Management features a readily accessible dashboard that offers quick, centrally located visibility into API services, traffic, engagement, and issues. To get you started faster, the solution makes it simple to create a new API service and edit the integration settings. First, you'll choose one of the easy-to-use gateway deployment options and enhance security of your API by establishing and controlling different levels of access for different types of users. Then you can configure the backend service and mapping rules, and define the methods of the API to obtain data on usage and the metrics that will be applied. You can also define policies for how requests will be handled by choosing from the list of available policies. Next, you can create an application plan that allows you to package services, define rate limits, and monetize your API. To keep traffic flowing smoothly, you can configure plans based on volume or usage tiers and apply the model on a global level for calls made to the API, or apply it with more granularity. API analytics and reporting are available to identify the most active users, applications and methods, pinpoint traffic patterns, and gain and share insights. In addition, integrated billing using the payment card industry compliant system allows us to set up pricing rules, invoicing, and collection. To improve developer adoption and success of your API, Red Hat 3-Scale API Management provides a built-in content management system portal that puts everything developers need to get started at their fingertips. Red Hat 3-Scale API Management makes it easier to create a branded hub with a custom domain to manage developer interactions and increase API adoption. Red Hat 3-Scale API Management, part of Red Hat integration, can help you build a more successful API program that includes access control, rate limits, payment gateway integration, and developer experience tools. Learn more and unleash the power of your API with Red Hat 3-Scale API Management.